large states such as Maharashtra are reporting shortage of the crucial COVID-19 injection Remdesivir. Several hospitals have been reporting that they are short of this injection, and patients have been scrambling to get hold of this drug. We spoke to Sharvil Patel, Managing Director, Zydus Cadila, on the reasons of this shortage and what the company is doing to fill this gap. Zydus Cadila is one of the largest manufacturer of Remdesivir in India, and this is what Sharvil Patel had to tell us.
Sadly, it seems that it's become almost the first line treatment, and that's why people there's panic in the country and all of that. That may be also leading to people procuring this, and I think people are being prescribed this irrespective of any severe side effects or any severe COVID symptoms and all. So I think that is the second, and third is obviously we have a lot of cases. We have never seen these number of cases in the country. Mm-hmm. So I think all of that has exaggerated the demand of Remdesivir, and that is why obviously it being an injectable, a lyophilized product needs sterility of 14 days. Nothing can happen overnight. So I think as everybody is ramping up, including Zydus, and Zydus always had the largest manufacturing of it. So I think it's a question of not months but a few weeks, and then things will be far more stable. But this sudden spike obviously has led to a lot of supply shortages. So currently we are, even in these times we have the largest. We have been producing in 3 of our facilities, and we have been, earlier we used to make 5 to 6 lakh vials monthly, which we have scaled up to 10 to 12 lakh vials immediately, and then we are hoping that we will go towards 20 lakh vials per month. So I think that is what we are aiming for in terms of building up and ramping up the production. So there is an excessive need in the country, but we do have international orders that we have committed to. Mm-hmm. But we will work with the government when the situation eases. I think they will then hopefully allow some of the exports to happen, because when Gilead gave a license to all Indian manufacturers, they had a responsibility to supply to a lot of the developing countries. So I think once we are able to ease the pressure on stocks in the country, then I'm sure they will allow us to fulfill the commitments that we made to other governments.
So, as you heard, the shortage of Remdesivir is because of the sudden spike in demand. Manufacturers had slowed down the production because the cases were going down, and now with the sudden spike, they will need some time to ramp up the production. The second thing is that hospitals and in some cases doctors are using this drug as a frontline therapy. It is not recommended for mild cases. Remdesivir is recommended as a moderate treatment therapy, which means that those people who are short of oxygen, they are the one who need to be administered this drug. However, there are reports as the company is saying that a lot of hospitals are administering this drug as a frontline treatment, which it should not be done. And finally, there is also reports of hoarding, which is leading to the shortage of the drug. The government of India also has taken stock of this situation, and in a press conference this week, this is what the Ministry of Health had to say.
So this is a drug to be used only in hospital. This is a drug to be supplied only to the hospital, not on the chemist shop, to be procured by a patient. ये चीज़ें procure की लाइन लग रही है, ये distortions हैं, ये गलत डायरेक्शन में जा रही है, उससे पैनिक भी हो रहा है, भ्रम भी हो रहा है। हम इसको बड़े ज़ोर के साथ और विनती करते हुए ये कहेंगे कि रैशनल यूज़ होना चाहिए रेमडेसिविर का। हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड इंडिविजुअल में जिसको ऑक्सीजन की आवश्यकता है, डॉक्टर प्रिस्क्राइब करेंगे, अस्पताल में ही ये सप्लाई होगी, इन्वेस्टिगेशनल थेरेपी की तरह इसको लिया जाएगा और उसी टाइम पीरियड उसी डोज के लिए लिया जाएगा, जिसको कि डॉक्टर भार्गव के अंडर जो नेशनल टास्क फोर्स है और JMC जो हमारी मिनिस्ट्री में है, उन्होंने इसको नेशनल प्रोटोकॉल कोविड-19 का जो है उसमें लिखा है। और ये भी मैं बताना चाहूँगा, जैसे विदित है आपको कि इसका एक्सपोर्ट रोक दिया गया है, इसकी थोड़ा सा शॉर्टेजेस इन सम एरियाज़ की खबरें आई थी, वो सब उसमें सुधार आ गया है कोई घबराने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये मेडिसिन प्लेंटीफुल अवेलेबल है, ठीक तरह से इस्तेमाल करने की ज़रूरत है, भ्रम फैलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। ये बात आप प्लीज़ लेके चलिए। और मैं विनती करता हूँ अपनी फिजिशियन कम्युनिटी को, हम सब की तरफ से कि जो इसका रैशनल, जुडिशियस, करेक्ट यूज़ है, आप प्लीज़ वही करिए। पेशेंट को भी मत इंडिकेट करिए कि भाई ये कर लीजिए, ये करिए।
So there are over 5 Indian manufacturers who have started ramping up the production of Remdesivir. We will see the supply coming up in the next couple of weeks, where all the companies have started ramping up their manufacturing capacity. And Zydus alone has said that it will touch 20 lakh per month in a couple of weeks' time. So as companies ramp up their production, we will see the supply easing up, and we'll see more doses coming into the country.